In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to FaceTime without Wi-Fi. Imagine you're on the go, perhaps on a road trip or just walking outside, and you want to connect with a friend or family member via FaceTime, but there's no Wi-Fi in sight. No worries. With just a few simple steps, you can easily use FaceTime over your mobile data network. Let's dive in and get you all set up to make those video calls without the need for a Wi-Fi connection. First, you'll want to grab your device and open up the Settings app. This app is typically represented by a grey gear icon. It's your gateway to configuring almost every feature on your device. So go ahead and tap on it to access a whole range of possibilities. Once inside the settings menu, take a moment to scroll through the options. Your goal is to find either cellular or mobile data. The name varies depending on your country and device model, especially on an iPhone or iPad. Both lead to the same place where you can handle connectivity for various services. Tap on this option to continue. Now that you're in the cellular or mobile data settings, you'll see a list of applications followed by toggles. This area allows you to control which apps can access mobile data. So look through the list and keep an eye out for FaceTime. It's crucial that you make sure the toggle next to FaceTime is switched on. Once enabled, this allows FaceTime to utilize your mobile data to connect calls even when Wi-Fi isn't available. And that's about it. By following these steps, you've unlocked the ability to engage in vibrant video calls no matter where you are, providing of course your mobile data plan supports such usage. It's always a good idea to be mindful of your data limits, as video calls can consume quite a bit of data. So it's worth keeping track of your usage to avoid any unexpected charges. This simple adjustment makes it possible to enjoy the connectivity and joy of video calls without being tethered to a Wi-Fi network. Whether you're out experiencing the world or simply away from home, staying in touch with family, friends or colleagues remains just a few taps away. There you have it, a straightforward guide to using FaceTime without Wi-Fi. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to stay connected wherever life takes you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thank you for joining us and happy video calling.